Everyone, please look carefully. Put this pork belly in a steamer and steam it for a while. Then it's ready to serve. Then it's this. The most delicious new. The method of eating and cooking is very simple. I believe you will like it. Let's cover this pork belly with a lid. Son, great. Fire. 30 minutes after the car. Steam it for 30 minutes, everyone. Time's up. Let's open the pot lid and take a look at this meat. Was it steamed properly? It's easy to know if the meat is steamed properly. Just take a... The chopsticks went in easily. This means the meat is fully cooked. Take this meat out. After taking it out, let's use toothpicks. Give us a few more toothpicks. A pigskin with a piercing. Just a few small holes or poke a few holes. Let this. All the fat is oozing out like this. It's fatty but not greasy, lean but not dry. After frying, you'll see this stuff popping up on top. There's a lot of grease coming out. Let's get some paper. Take some kitchen paper towels and wipe it clean. Then, we'll stand about 2.5 finger widths apart and nod to him. Let's cut it up so it's easier for us to fry the meat. After cleaning it, let's prepare a flat surface. This pan has a non-stick bottom. What? No need to put it down. We can just put the meat on it and fry it. Hey, one more piece. Put all 3 pieces into it. Go for it, brothers and sisters. Let's fry it slowly over medium-low heat. When frying, we can cover the pot with a lid otherwise. However, when you fry minced meat, it tends to release moisture, which splatters everywhere and can easily burn you. Let's be careful, guys. We've been frying for over 10 minutes now. Let's open the lid and check. Let's turn it over. Let's see how it's fried. I'm going to. Children, look. Golden and crispy surface. Come on. Turn it over. Wow, this is beautiful. Turn it over, Liang. Let's continue frying the other side. You must also fry it over low heat. Make sure to cover the pot with the lid, otherwise it will explode. My brother puts his heart into sharing a delicious recipe with everyone every day. Detailed and without errors. If you don't know what to eat, you can. Come on over, little brother. Let's take a stroll around. Go check out my bro's homepage. He's already shared dozens of recipes without me even realizing it. Convenient. You could have clicked on a free link for my little brother. I'll give you a small follow as encouragement and support. Brother. Thank you so much, brother. Best wishes. Wishing you and your family good health and all the best. May you be free from illness, disaster, joy, and wealth. Thank you, everyone. Look, it's done frying here too. It's golden and crispy. Crisp. Hey, at this time, let's. It stands up, and you peel off the skin underneath too, brothers and sisters. This. Look at this crispy pork belly. They're all fried until golden brown and crispy on all sides, and look. Inside this pot. This came out. With so much oil, all the fat on this crispy pork belly has rendered out. This is already fried until dry, so I feel like this braised pork belly is bound to taste good. We need to drain this oil using a strainer or strainer. From now on, when you stir fry a vegetarian dish, it will smell amazing. Okay, let's plate it up and show it to everyone. This crispy pork belly is so delicious. It's so golden yellow. This jade is beautiful, and there's gold and silver everywhere. Listen to this. The sound was so loud, oh my god. I can touch it. Hey, look over here. That's dark. Let's just kill it. Oh my god. Snap. Crispy. Let's cut it into pieces and plate it. Oh my god. Too much. This guy is addicted. Girls, look. I've already cut up these crispy meatballs. This family version can be made without a mirror plate or oven. Make this. Everything about the food looks delicious. The only downside is, well, this. You need to prepare some barbecue seasoning. There's not enough food without this. Let's sprinkle some simmering oil. The barbecue seasoning. Oh my God, the flavor just kicked in all of a sudden. Good. Hey everyone, let me fix this. Have a piece to try? Are you still selling them? It's so tempting, Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It's delicious. The slightly rough outer layer is a bit. The taste of lard oil. It smells especially good because all the oil has been rendered out during frying. If you like this method, try it out, brothers and sisters. At home, my little brother shares a delicious recipe with his older siblings every day. Follow us. I don't flip the food when I cook. Car.